Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to sign up on Qustodio. For that, open the Qustodio. You can easily install this application from any Play Store or the App Store on the device. Now, to keep your child safe online, you need to tap on Get Started on this welcome screen of Qustodio. You need to enter the parent account to get started with Qustudio. Enter the name, email, and the password. Once you are done filling up the credential, you can tap on the I like button on the password to view your password, and again, if you want to recheck then you can easily recheck from there. Tap on the small box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tap on get started. After you have entered the credential, you'll be taken to this page where you need to tap on protect this device. So enter a name for this device. After you have entered the device name, you need to tap on next. Now in this page you need to enter your child's detail, the name, birth year and the gender. Once you are done with filling the credential, tap on next. Now in this page you can choose an avatar for the Android reel. Tap on next. Tap on Let's Do It on this page. To allow the accessibility, tap on Allow Now. Once you have tap on Allow Now, you will be taken to this accessibility page where you can tap on Qustudio Kids and tap on the shortcut and toggle on the shortcut. Tap on Allow Now. Now tap on Allow Now again. On this page, tap on Qustudio Kids and tap on Permit Users Access. This will allow notifications access. So once you have filled in all the credentials on the Qustudio Kids, you need to follow all the on-screen instruction to get registered on the Qustudio Kids. And once you have registered, then next time you need to enter the same credential again and log in on the Qustudio. If you have any problem while signing up with the Qustudio application, you can visit the Qustudio support and contact them and describe the issue that you have faced. So, following this instruction, you can easily sign up with the Qustudio application. Thank you.